Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today we are going to learn about the socket IO. Okay, so this we have done with 2.1. First of all, I have used npm init. Then we have installed the express jquery and socket.io. So this is the configuration file I will show you. This is package.json. So there is express jquery and socket.io. Okay, so this is the connection for creating a connection. Okay, so whenever I try to reload this one, let's see the terminal. Not this one. Okay, I'm going to reload this one. A user is connected. When I try to reload this, that means a user is connected. Hello world from the client. So here you can see that hello world from the client is here. Means socket is connected. Okay, that means socket is established. So on the submit, we are going to check what the events are throwing. Okay, so this is done. Connection. A user is connected. Okay, a user is connected, right? So connection established. Now I'm going to add this events hello. So okay, you can see that hello is append. Hi. So this is how you can chat it like this, and it will append all the messages over here. So again, the connection established. Okay, previous one is again lose the connection. So you can see that hi from the server. See the messages, message hi. A user is connected, hello world from the client, message hi. You can see that here. Message is appending, this is a different part, right? And they have emit the message, chat message. Okay, and they have a response message to listen that one. Okay, and here we can see that response message we have emit this one. Okay, when we have a chat message event, then we what we are emitting, this one, this emitter would be the listener for this chat one. This one, which is a response message. Okay, so response message, this would be the here. Here we have emit, and here would be the listen. They are going to listen it, and whatever the message they are, just they are appending it on that div. Okay, and the chat message, here we have this one, we have listening, and we have emitted this one. For this listen, they are going to emit it. So where they have chat message, okay, they have emitted, right? You can see that whatever we have here, here this is we are listening, whatever we have received from the chat messages. Okay, and if we are listening over here, and then they are going to emit it, there is a reverse back. Okay, so they are emitting the chat message what they have and appending that one, and response message we have emit one, that we the server has this message, so they are trying to listen that one and append whatever the message they have into that div. Okay, so this is the process, and this is the flow that we are appending the data into that one. Okay, hi from the server. So you can see that hi from the server is where message from server is added. So whenever they are writing with the response message over here, you can see that response message, so whatever data we are trying to send, they are going to just append it from the server. Okay, from the server, right? So this is how the socket, they are initializing and connecting between the socket. Okay, so this is the simple one that we have used. The main one is the connection that we have already established, and rest you can uh, build any kind of functionality like like they have initiate the chat, what kind of emitters and listeners you want to add, you can add and do the process accordingly. Okay, so that's it for now, and any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.